Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on the channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So when you just updated you today is that breaking news: Kaizer Chiefs deal close. Kaizer Chiefs are one step away from signing Fawaz in Pasadena. Deal really close to being done. Positive round of talks today between all parties involved as Kaizer Chiefs are close to their new defender. Next, final step. Kaizer Chiefs will send in a new official bid soon and then the deal will be completed. All parties expect Pasadena to become a new Kaizer Chiefs player by the end of the next few weeks. If all goes to plan, Kaizer Chiefs wants Pasadena to travel with the squad for the pre-season, so as the absolute priority. Agreement on a personal terms also confirmed. He is sent to accept a contract proposal from Kaizer Chiefs. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you know if next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.